ये कहना गलत नहीं होगा कि कसौटी के मेकर्स के लिए बहुत ही टफ टाइम चल रहा है। 4 महीने के लॉकडाउन के बाद शो वापस ऑन एयर गया था। अनफॉर्चुनेटली अनुराग बासु यानी कि हमारे पार्थ समथान वॉज टेस्टेड कोविड पॉजिटिव, जिसके बाद शूटिंग दोबारा कुछ टाइम के लिए हॉल्ट कर दी गई। लेकिन अब ऐसा लगता है कि एक और बड़ी मुसीबत में आ गए हैं कसौटी के मेकर्स। Ever since the show has resumed the shoot after 4 long months of lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic, the show has been in news for various reasons. Almost after 2 weeks of resuming shoot, Parth Samthan tested positive along with 2 other staff members. After recovering from COVID-19, Parth resumed work and put down his papers immediately, telling the producer, Ekta Kapoor and the makers that he wants to pull out of it. Parth resigned the same week that he returned after COVID-19's recovery. Well, ever since Parth has decided to step out, Ekta Kapoor began to hunt for new Anurag. हमने खबरों में बहुत देखा कि Ekta has been trying to find a new face for Anurag Basu, but unfortunately nobody is suiting the same thing. Ekta has a set criteria in her head जिसको वो fulfill करना चाहती है, and obviously not everyone can fit into that criteria. एक leading portal की रिपोर्ट के accordingly, Ekta Kapoor has apparently approached Zainab Ma'am, Vijendra Kumeria, and also Barun Sobati. Quite talented actors, but it seems like that they are either not fitting the criteria or maybe we are waiting for their confirmation. She is also in talks with Vishal Aditya Singh, Harshit Chopra and Ashim Gulati to replace Parth Samthan as Anurag Basu in the show. Well, the same report has also stated that Ekta Kapoor may shut down the show if she does not find any worthy replacement of Parth aka Anurag Basu. जी हाँ, आपने बिल्कुल सही सुना। कसौटी जिंदगी की might go off if Ekta Kapoor does not find a worthy replacement for Anurag Basu. After all, it's a leading role and you can never be wrong with that particular role. A source close to the development revealed to the leading portal that Parth has found a huge following and Anurag is an iconic character. Ekta is clear that if he does not stay and she can't find a worthy replacement, she will end the show. Speaking about the decision of quitting Kasauti Zindagi Ki 2, the source revealed his health is his priority right now. Also, he has a Bollywood film coming up and wants to concentrate on that. कि just because Parth अपनी तबीयत ठीक करके just वापस अपना काम resume करा है and also उनकी एक Bollywood break launch होने वाली है, so he wants to focus on that thing. इसीलिए he has opted out of the show. The source further added that Ekta has been trying to persuade him to stay on. Well, सवाल तो यही है that Ekta is trying, but if or if not, Parth will agree to be a part of Kasauti Zindagi further on also. Recently, she even roped in a third person known to both of them to help her convince Parth to continue with the show. But it seems like Parth has been very keen, adds the source. कसौटी जिंदगी की अभी फिलहाल बहुत ही हाई ट्विस्ट एंड ड्रामा पे चल रहा है, जहाँ पे प्रेरणा के सामने अनुराग की पूरी कहानी आ गई है। प्रेरणा को यानी कि हमारी एरिका फर्नांडिस को सच्चाई पता चल गई है पार्थ समथान यानी कि अनुराग बासु की, कि क्यों उन्होंने उसको ब्रिज से धक्का दिया था। अब ऐसे समय पे अगर हमारा लीडिंग कैरेक्टर शो से चले जाते हैं, दैट इज लाइक अ शॉकर टू बोथ Ekta Kapoor and the show also. But Ekta has been trying her level best to fulfill the criteria of Parth Samthan through some other actor, and also side by side trying to convince Parth Samthan to stick on with the show. Well, we can just hope if Parth will stay or not, and if not, what will be the fate of Kasauti Zindagi Ki 2? Well, आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा कि आपका क्या कहना है। If Parth Samthan is no longer a part of the show, would you like watching any other character opposite Erica Fernandez for Anurag Basu's role? Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates of the Tele world.
All about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.